Hey, welcome to the channel. So I thought today we do a video on you need to watch this video before you go out and buy that next new piece of equipment. And here's the reasons why. Alright, stay tuned. This should be good. Alright, so welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and we do the weekday show Monday through Friday, podcast, and I try to educate people on what are the truths and not truths, right? And no matter where you go, as far as for that next new piece of equipment, you cannot take what the sales rep tells you or what the dealership tells you or the people that work for the dealership tell you on what is warranted and what is not. What I'm hearing constantly is people are being told that their piece of equipment is covered bumper to bumper throughout the warranty period. No, it's not. And why do I say no, it's not? Alright, the biggest misconception people have is that they have this peace of mind because somebody in that store, whether it's Tractor Supply, Lowe's, Home Depot, had told them of all the benefits of buying that mower. But what you have to look at is a lot of these sales reps get paid commission based on what they can sell, right? And if they're not selling, they're not making that commission. And then you have, I also want to touch base on, is these extended warranties that are being sold to you, that and how they're being told what to you as a consumer. Here's the truth. The truth is, no matter what they tell you, the only thing that's going to be warranted on that machine is a defect from the factory. It's not going to cover your mower blades, your belts. If you hit a piece of pipe out in the yard, it does not cover that. And I'm tired of these places telling you a false lie. And it is, it's a lie. Maybe they don't know the difference, but we do as a warranty shop. And 95% of the stuff that comes here and customers think is warranty is not warranty. So when you go into that next dealership and you're looking at a new piece of equipment, understand that no matter what, it has to be defective from the factory. It has to be a defect in the materials. Anything else is not covered. And you're going to be expected to ante up to get it fixed. Unless you can get one dealer to throw it through warranty and basically tell the warranty company that a lie, that if it's something that you've done to that mower or that weed trimmer or what have you, that's on you, the consumer. And the thing that really upsets me the most is you're not being shown how to properly use it, and you're not being told the right information when you're making that purchase. It's kind of like the car salesman. He'll tell you whatever you want to hear, and he's going to try to get you into the highest cost vehicle. Plus, he's going to try to sell you everything, upsell, different things, Sirius radio and internet and your formats, and everything that he's talking about is taking your bill up. And the more he can get that up, the upsell, the more money he makes. And that's fine as long as the guy is being honest with you. But I'm telling you right now, I'm not hearing most places being honest. It's either because they don't know themselves, they haven't read the warranty on the manufacturer that they do the warranty work for, or they're telling you a lie. When you go to buy that next piece of equipment, you have a basic warranty. And the basic warranty says if the frame cracks, if something is defective from the get-go, they will cover it, and I'll put it through as warranty. But if you've had it out there and you hit something or you damaged it by accident, don't expect the warranty companies to come through for you. And what a lot of places will do, and this really is a pain in my backside, is a lot of these places that are floor planning, they're selling you that product, let's say it's a brand new zero turn, is they will try to keep pushing you out to get you past that warranty period so that they can bill you that money for the repairs. And that's not right either. You need to find somebody that's going to be honest with you. And that's what I'm trying to do right now, is when you go out and you buy that new piece of equipment, whether it's a push mower, rider, doesn't matter. If it's defective from the factory, I'll help you 100% get it warranted and done. But if it's not, and it's just wear and tear, and it's something that you've done, don't bring it here. And if you take it to the other shops, a lot of them will just keep pushing you out, pushing you out, pushing you out. Instead of being what we used to call good dealerships, they're just there to sell a product. And do they do warranty? Yes, but they make the money on the non-warranty stuff. So the next one you go out and buy, understand and read your warranty. It's got to be a defective part on that from the get-go, and read your extended warranties. I'm telling you right now, they run concurrent, where they're running together. And those extended warranties, the only one I know that you're going to have any luck with would be Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight makes their own stuff, all their own brands, and they'll sell you the insurance policy, so if something happens to it, that they'll replace it. But they've got that figured into their system. Everybody else is not going to do that. When you say, "Oh, I got the extended warranty and this is going to cost me so much to fix it, it's not worth it to me. I just want you to give me a different one." It's not going to happen. And you're going to be stuck. And then you're going to feel like you've been let down because you have a less than honest dealership or big box store selling you stuff and not having the right information. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. I read every one of them. But be an informed buyer. Read the warranty. Ask for a warranty before you make the purchase. And don't go by what that sales guy's telling you. He's going to tell you whatever he thinks will make you buy that mower. It is bumper to bumper. It is not bumper to bumper. Ask him for the warranty, because there's a manual that comes with it, and the warranty is usually in the front, and a toll-free number. Quickly read through that warranty and tell me that it says it's bumper to bumper. Don't expect that dealership, because their sales rep said it was bumper to bumper, to come good on your mower because of what somebody told you. And like I say, the shoddy ones will keep pushing it down the road until you're out of warranty, and then tell you that it's not warranted and this is what it's going to cost to fix it. And now you are just livid, like I would. Don't blame your warranty shop when you bring it to somebody like me that says it's not warranted. Sorry. I'd love to help you out, but I've got to be honest to myself, to you, to God, and to the warranty shop. Read your warranty before you buy. Do not take the store's salespeople as gospel. If it's not written in that warranty and it's not covered in that warranty, you are not getting warranty. So on that note, just be an informed buyer. Understand what you're buying and what you're getting for your extra money. You have a warranty against defective parts. Those extended warranties that they're trying to sell you start at the same time your other warranty runs. So it's not like you're getting, if you bought a 2-year extended warranty, that it's going to stop. It's going to start when the other warranty stops. No, it doesn't. It starts at the same time. So if you got a 2-year warranty from the factory on that unit, let's say it's a Husqvarna, it comes with a 2-year warranty against defectiveness. If you buy a extended warranty, it's going to start from the date of purchase. So if you got a 2-year on that, why are you spending more money on another 2-year that's not going to pay for anything that your regular warranty, manufacturer's warranty will pay for? On that note, you guys have a great day. I like to be honest with people, and I think you need to look deeper instead of taking somebody's word for something. Don't take my word for it. If you bought a new piece of equipment lately, open your owner's manual and read what the warranty is and what they cover. On that note, thanks so much for watching.